What was the post held by him? What was the post held by him?
Constable.
Constable.
Under Central Reserve Police Force Act. My appointment was under Central Reserve Police Force Act by Annexure 1. We have the writ petition.
Where is your order of appointment?
Order of appointment was Annexure 1. My supplementary affidavit to this appeal and Annexure 1 to the writ of
Appeal.
Yes, sir. Supplementary affidavit, page 9.
Now termination is under which rule?
Termination under Central Reserve, Civil Services Classification and Control Rule. Whereas I am in Central Reserve Police Force Act.
Correct.
Lordship may see Annexure D to a counter affidavit.
Annexure?
To a counter affidavit, that is
Petition.
the writ petition. That is the order of appointment to Lordships.
No, the how do you overcome this annexure 1?
Let's see Annexure D, please.
D.
D. That is dated, your Lordship may see
February 2015.
your Lordship, and 2014, your Lordship, 24 November 2014. And your Lordship will see that he was at that stage he was temporary.
No, sir. Where is the document? You are relying on a page number?
Number that would be your Lordship. So faint it's become. Faint.
No, this. What is the date of this annexure D?
Annexure dated
24th July 2015.
15.
No.
14.
No, sir. 21/11/2014. Probably.
21 or 24, I can't make out.
But on 19 September, what is this order? This is the offer of appointment.
Appointment.
Annexure 1.
This your Lordship.
He is not a temporary employee because the pay scale has been given.
Your Lordships, initially when they are taken in, for 2 years, they are
He is on probation.
2 years.
For 2 years. Assuming that he is on probation, Rule 1955 is applicable. CRPF rule.
Your Lordships, 9/14.
In the annexure 1, along with the supplementary affidavit, it is indicated the appointment will be purely temporary and subject to verification of your residential records. And in the next paragraph, the services in CRPF have all India liability. Therefore, you are required to serve anywhere in India and abroad. On appointment, you will be governed by CRPF Rule 1949. Act 1949 and Rules 1955.
That in my humble submission, your Lordship, would be after the temporary period is over. For this initial, it would be temporary.
Does not say so.
Your Lordship, the appointment will be purely temporary and subject.
Sir, which is the order of appointment according to you?
According to me, your Lordship, it would be Annexure D. That is the order.
Then annexure 1 is what?
Annexure 1 is the initial offer, your Lordship.
Correct.
But Annexure 1 also speaks of the temporary period. Now, during the temporary period, it is the temporary service rules which would apply. Your Lordships, even the Honorable Single Judge, he has discussed this and he has dealt with it, your Lordships may see.
Now, where is that temporary rules?
temporary rules, Your Lordship. Right.
No, for constables who appointed on initially, they are bound by these rules. Where is that?
Your Lordship, five, Your Lordship. He worked, so he was 48 years he was there. After that, he disappeared.
The appointment is. No, before that, read the rule 1. Show us the applicability clause, clause number 3, sub-rule 3 of rule 1. Courtmaster, we don't have a book. Sub-rule 3 of rule 1 stipulates which are the forces would fall under this rule. You show us the CRPF fall under this rule.
Yeah, you are right, Your Lordship, the book.
For what purpose?
I'm already wanting the book.
No, I am asking him to read. I have already read sub-rule 3 of rule 1.
Called a civil post, including all civilians paid from the defense.
Sir, number of services have been given. Just below that, you show that CRPF is included.
The only one that could come to my aid, Your Lordships, D, that says is by notification published.
On the other hand, the senior counsel, on the other hand, CRPF rule definition under section 2, definition J, under officer means a member of force of the rank of head constable, Nayak or Lance Nayak are all given.
It would not be under J, Your Lordships.
Termination order issued by whom? My brother is pointing out writ itself is not maintainable because the territorial jurisdiction.
West Bengal, yes.
What do you say?
Yes, my lord. That was never raised, my lord. Moreover, it
No,
has.
it can be raised. It is a question of law.
Yes, my lord. That, my lord, it has been held in 2019, volume 4, PLG.
Sir, Article 226(2).
Yes, in that way, yes, my lord.
Which is that citation?
2019, volume 4, Patna Law Journal Report.
This court?
This court.
No. Supreme Court is there.
Yes, Supreme Court is also there.
Decision is there. 226(2).
Yes, my lord. Power conferred by clause 1 to issue direction, order or writ to any government authority or person may also exercise by any high court exercising jurisdiction in relation to territory within which cause of action wholly or in part arises for exercise of such power, notwithstanding that seat of such government or authority or residence of such person is not within those territory. And our full bench is this, my lord.
Not entertain.
But this was, my lord,
After incorporation of Article 226 with bracket 2, this court has no jurisdiction. Only in rarest case, Supreme Court has entertained for the simple reason that the person who was a resident of X state, who was suffering from certain serious illness, and his retired dues were to be settled, some Sharma case. And there is it is stated that this is not precedent.
But Lordship may have a glance to our full bench that wherever notice is served, the writ application is maintainable. That is our 2019.
So we will give you a week's time. You can go through the citation. If it supporting you.
Yes, under 226 I will decide before.
Because while sitting single, I have rejected number of writ petitions.
That was never raised, so I have not brought it, my lord. I'm sorry.
Huh?
That was never raised, so I have not brought it.
No, it's all right.
I feel sorry, my lord, that.
The present case, we have noticed creating of writ petition in view of cause of action stated to have occurred in Siliguri, West Bengal.
West Bengal.
Siliguri, within bracket West Bengal. So merely petitioner is a resident of state of Bihar. Question would be whether he can invoke Article 226
All right, sorry to.
court or not.
Sorry to interrupt.
On this issue, then counsel for the petitioner has to make his submission on the next date of hearing.
Sorry to interfere, my lord. Not only residence, termination order served in the state of Bihar.
Maybe, sir.
That may be.
No, that is not the cause of action.
Yes, sir.
Has been explained.
I will satisfy your lordship. I will satisfy your lordship. But your lordship only because residence. That's why I prayed, my lord, that where the termination order served.
Mere residence is not sufficient.
No, mere residence is not sufficient. But where the notice or order of termination.
Sir, they have to serve if wherever you are there.
And there is jurisdiction.
No.
That I will assist your lordship. That's why I said, my lord, that your lordship may indicate that also where the notice is served.
Where did you?
No,
expect
that
it
is
to
already
serve?
there. Decided in one of the case. Just now I cited some Sharma case versus Union of India.
That is one.
I don't remember. I have.
My lord is correct.
I have a detailed judgment has been.
Yes, my lord, correctly remembering that was only because of residence. Here, my lord, I am praying where the notice or dismissal order served. That is only distinction, my lord, I am placing before lordship. So your lordship may indicate that also in the order, my lord. That's why I was.
No, that is already discussed by the Apex Court.
Even the lordships have discussed in several cases when we were.
Yes. That is with regard to residence only. I am praying that since where the notice or dismissal order served, that honorable court has got jurisdiction.
No, sir.
That is the difference, my lord, I will place before lordship, my lord. That's why I pray, my lord.
No, while sitting single, I have noticed all those things.
Yes, ma'am.
And cited a number of decisions also.
Yes, my lord. So only I pray, my lord, your lordship, I will
Court must have find out when sitting
Lordship.
single. We have passed 2-3 orders.
My lord, I am pleased to indicate in the order sheet, my lord, only because of
Why I should indicate? These are all left to you. You have to apprise whether writ petition is maintainable or not. That's all. Everything is open to you to address the argument.
That I understood, my lord. I was only praying, my lord, that my lord
We don't want to
having.
restrict that service of notice in this state and other things. We don't.
Naval Kishore Sharma versus Union.
Naval Kishore Sharma.
2049 SEC.
In that, it is only an exceptional case where the Supreme Court has said that due to his illness and other things, all right, High Court has entertained.
I will
Let's
assist.
not discuss.
I will assist.